So you're single right now, right?
Yeah.
Do you plan on getting married and having kids?
Y'all know we ain't gonna do that video. But we are an hour and 24 minutes into the video. Y'all know to go check out Scully. He's been reading Pulp Fiction over on his main YouTube channel. Y'all know to go have him read that book to you. It's a good show. I've been over there every night that he's been live. You dig? But anyways, let me stop this Rumble video. Stop the Rumble before it try to watch some other content. Shout out to what's in my algorithm. It pops up. You know how that be. You know how that be. Like I said before, I go up out of here. Let's give a shout out to Coach Sherry. She did donate on the Buy Me a Coffee, and we appreciate that. Somebody talking about me. Shouts out to them. Oh, it's probably 7:55. Probably give me some shouts out. She went live. You dig? Y'all know to go check out 7:55 Media. She doing her Wednesday whip. Y'all know to go support and network with her. But I'm going to take y'all in the green room real quick. So that way y'all can't say I've been holding y'all back from seeing what we got growing on. Popcorn, you supposed to be an indoor garden consultant. Where the plants at? We get plenty of videos, but where the plants? Yeah, I got you. One of these damn days, right? The man who plants something knows that he didn't plant at all. Oh my God, it was work. And here we go. That'll be the only plant that I actually got that's not one of the clones. It was the actual mother. And there's the little guys over there. So you see, we got them going now. We got a couple things in here running. And I did get those genetics transferred from the plastic bag and the paper to a solo cup so they can pop up whenever they're ready over there. That's a seed. We'll drop it in one of those, and then when I add water to this here in a minute, everything will be doing what it's due. I'm trying to clip these money tree cuttings to see if I can get them to reroot and start growing, because the video I saw about how to clone them, I think that's how easy they said that was to do. But other than that, you just gotta hope that they root out before they end up dying, which I got them hooked up with the air line, so they're actually got a better chance at doing what they do. Looks like this one ain't too happy. Let me look in here. You ain't getting wet, sir. I already see. Yeah, see, this is exactly why we come in here to check, right? Had to make sure that was already all the way popped down to where that's getting water in there. Because it should be right at the bottom of the net cup. Shout out to the net cups. Other than that, y'all know it ain't too much going on in the green room. We'll have more coming up on these blue banner OGs, because this one is looking good enough that I'm about ready to put it in the flower. Y'all see we got some secondary tops started, so let those grow a little bit more before we flip to the flower, and that'll give us something to watch stretch. Shouts out to the Stretch Nation, because you know we're gonna make sure that that happens. Then my flower over here in the corner, yeah, he's got one up top that's ready to bloom here shortly. So you dig? We got some scenery. Shout out to Scully. Y'all know to go check him out. He probably have roll call like Thursday, probably knowing him. Y'all